Hey guys, I am here in Bismarck, North Dakota. I just did a blizzard chase. Big blizzard came through here in Bismarck, North Dakota, and I really haven't had a good meal in the last 24 hours or so. And of course, we're on a chase here, so we must do a Storm Chaser food review video in the city of Bismarck, North Dakota here, trying to walk down these streets with really deep snow up and down the street here. Really tough for walking right now. And there is a little pizza place just up the sidewalk here, down here. There's the sign for it right there. It's called Fireflour Pizza. And this is where we are gonna go for this Storm Chaser food review video. I'm really looking forward to this pizza. I think it's gonna be really good. We're gonna head on down the sidewalk here. And go get some pizza. All right, let's go check this out. How's it going? This is what I want right here. Organic tomato sauce, hand-stretched mozzarella, arugula, prosciutto, and extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I've done it. I've finally gotten my handcrafted Neapolitan pizza from Fireflour Pizza in Bismarck, and I can't wait to eat it. It's got arugula, mozzarella, and prosciutto on it, and I think it's gonna be absolutely phenomenal. Let's get to the car and eat this thing ASAP. See if we can walk through all this snow. Go. Snow's falling off the building, hitting the car. All right, guys, here it is, the Fireflour handcrafted Neapolitan pizza. It's called the Iowa. It's a great unveiling. Oh my God. Bursting with arugula, prosciutto. We got mozzarella cheese under there. This beautiful looking crust, wood fired, handcrafted. Oh, here, prosciutto and arugula. All right, let's eat this thing. Well, first of all, let's get a piece off of here. Come on, pizza. Come on, pizza. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna fold it up like a sandwich to make sure we don't lose any toppings. Oh, look at this, bursting. It's like a pizza salad. Okay. Let's try this thing. All right, here it goes, guys. In the blizzard disaster zone. That's not really a disaster, but in the blizzard zone here, after the blizzard, eating a beautiful pizza pie, the Iowa. It's so good. I love arugula, and it's loaded with it. So, first of all, you've got all this arugula. Nice flavor of arugula. Mixing with the mozzarella cheese. Nice bread flavor. And then you get hit with the prosciutto. And you combine all these things together. It's like eating the pizza version of a salad, you guys. It's so good. I can't even do a proper review here because, first of all, it's very good. But second of all, I'm starving after covering this blizzard for the past day. We got nice prosciutto here, nice and thin prosciutto. Looks beautiful. Good sauce. Phenomenal. Just absolutely phenomenal bread that the pizza's made out of. Their dough. A+ dough. Wood fired. It's everything I've always wanted in pizza. I love thin pizza. It's a thin pizza, like a New York style, but it's a Neapolitan style. So it's fantastic, guys. Fireflour Pizza in Bismarck. If you're ever here in Bismarck, I highly suggest it. I hear that they also have a gluten-free crust, gluten-free dough. The reason I hear is because I've had it before. And that's why I had to come here, because it's such a good pizza. I had to try it. I had to come here again and actually do a food review video. So I'm letting you in on a little secret. I've had the pizza before, so I knew it was going to be good. I came back for the review, but I had the gluten-free pizza before when I was here, and I want to get a regular one. And the gluten-free pizza was really good there. I mean, it was fantastic. You could hardly even tell it was a gluten-free pizza. But this one, the non-gluten-free one, A+, guys. Bismarck, North Dakota, Fireflour Pizza. There might be a blizzard here, but it's worth it. If you have to drive through a blizzard to get this pizza, I would still do it. It's fantastic pizza. All right, later. I gotta eat another piece here. So good.